So, the function f of t, yung function na given natin, that is the inverse Laplace transform of f of s. So, therefore, okay, that is your small f, okay, that is the inverse Laplace of your capital F. Okay? And then the symbol, Laplace of ito, that is the inverse Laplace operator. And then it is also a linear operator, just like your Laplace. Okay? So, the gamitin pa natin on this part is the table. Okay? Going to sa table. Table pa rin gagamitin natin. So, mula dito sa table, okay? So, pag ganito tayo, okay? Pag ganito, okay? We apply Laplace. Okay? We apply Laplace. Pag pabalik, siyempre, pag pabalik tayo, that is the inverse. Diba? Pero lang yun. So, ang given dito sa inverse, pag sa inverse Laplace, ang given is your function of S. Okay? So, kunin mo yung inverse, makuha mo yung f of t. Okay? So, ganun lang. So, sa Laplace naman, Laplace transform, we are given your function of t. And then, we apply Laplace transformation, that will become f of s. Pag pabaliktad, siyempre, that is the inverse. Okay? Let's now try to solve inverse since may knowledge tayo ng Laplace transform. Okay, so example in here is that find the inverse Laplace transform of each of the following functions. First, 2 over s cubed. And then next is 3 over s squared plus 9. And then the next one is s minus 1 over s squared minus 2s plus 5. Okay. First one, 2 over s cubed. The inverse Laplace transform of that one is e squared. Okay. So this is just from your table. Okay. Formula number 3. Okay. Next one, we have 3 over s squared plus 9. Okay. So from the table, we only have on that one, yung square root nito, 9. That is 3. So this is 3 squared. Okay. So this is now 3 over s squared plus 3 squared. And then from your table again, formula number 8. Okay. So we can find that this one is equal to, the inverse of that is equal to sine 3t. Okay. This is your omega. Your omega is 3. Okay. And then last one, oops. Solve initial value problems. Skip. Next one, s minus 1 over s squared minus 2s plus 5. Okay po. So, wala tayong direct path. There's no exact form na ganito sa table. So, ang ginawa natin is that we apply this one, completing the square. So we apply completing the square. Completing the square tayo on this one. So completing the square, we complete the square of your denominator. Okay? Paano completing the square? So, kunin mo yung kasama ng iyong s, okay, that is negative 2, or your b, okay? So, we get that, since from this one, your a is 1, your b is negative 2, and your c is 5, okay? To complete the square, we obtain that b over 2 squared, okay? Your b over 2 squared, that is negative 2 over 2, 1. We square that 1, that is 1, okay? So, to complete the square of your s squared minus 2s plus 5, okay, we have s squared minus 2s. So, we have obtained 1. So, that's plus 1. Okay, we group this 1 plus the quantity 5. So, to So since we added 1 in here, we subtract 1 on that one, on this part. So we now have this one, s squared minus 2s plus 1 plus the quantity 5 minus 1. And then this is now a perfect square. This one. This is now a perfect square. So this is s minus 1 squared. Okay. And then 4, 5 minus 1 becomes 4. So we now have s minus 1 over s minus 1 squared plus 2 squared. And then as you can see on the table, this is, you can refer to formula number 11. Okay? So we have s minus a over s minus a squared plus omega squared. Okay? So from the table, since that is formula number 11, so that is simply e raised to p, okay, cosine 2p. So take note ha, baliktaran ha, kung ito negative, nagiging positive na itong dito. Since our formula, sabi doon, 11, that is e raised to minus plus 80 cosine omega t. Okay? The Laplace of that, okay, is s plus minus a over the quantity s plus minus a squared plus omega squared. Okay? Take note, okay? So our given is negative. Ito, negative yan, no? Ano? Negative yan. Negative. So, baliktaran. So, negative, magiging positive. So, we have positive t. And then cosine, your omega is 2. Okay? So, yun lang. Yun siya. This is using your tables. Okay? This is using our table. Okay? So, any question dito sa part na to, before proceed doon sa medyo mahirap na i-inverse. Kasi may ibang, what we call this, may ibang problems na hindi ganyan kadali yung given na, na S. Minsan mahirap siya, yung S na given. Hindi siya basta-basta. Later, yun naman tayo. Yung medyo mahirap na what we call that, mahirap na functions na. Okay? Questions muna before we proceed to our, wala na. So, dito sa part na to, pag basic pala yung functions mo, we can look on the table. O paano kung medyo complex na yung functions. Meron pa dito. Kung medyo complex na yung functions, medyo lang naman, apply natin yung linearity ulit. So, same lang yung concept ng linearity ng inverse sa linearity nung Laplace transform. Parehas lang siya since inverse operator lang naman ito. So same pa rin. The inverse Laplace transform of the sum or difference of several functions is equal to the sum or difference. So same. You can, pwede mo paghiwalay yung two functions. Basta addition and subtraction siya. Okay? The same. And then, same again. Pwede ilabas yung constant na c. Okay? And then, take note again na hindi na yung product hindi pa rin equal yan. Okay. Hindi ko na nasama pala dito yun. So, ang linearity is applicable lang on your addition and subtraction and then sa constant. Okay, let's try, let's have an example sa linearity. Oy, tatlo. Grabe, tatlo. First one, we find the inverse Laplace transform of 5 over s minus 6 minus 6s over s squared plus 9 plus 3 over 2s squared plus 8s plus 10. And then next, we have to find 2s squared plus s over s plus 4. And then 5 over s plus 2 raised to the 4. Pantay tayo nito. Lipat tayo sa medyo... Wala yung word natin. Lang. Ayan. May word tayo dito. Okay. So the first one. Okay. Okay. The first one, we're going to solve. Ayan. First one, we're going to solve for First one, we're going to solve a 5 over S. So first one, we're going to solve yeah, 5 over S minus 6 minus 6S inverse of this one over S squared plus 9 plus 3 over 2S squared plus 8S plus 10. Oh. So we're going to solve for the inverse. Okay? So solving for the inverse of this one, okay? Inverse Laplace. Okay? Ayan. So we apply the linearity property. So okay, pagwalayin itong tatlong functions na to since ito ay since this is minus and then this is plus. Okay? Excuse me. And then we now have the Laplace, inverse Laplace of 5 over S minus 6. Okay? Minus the inverse Laplace of 6S over S squared plus 9. And then plus the inverse Laplace of 3 over 2S squared plus 8S plus 10. Okay? Next one. Ilabas yung constant. We have 5, 6, and 3. Labas natin. Sige, labas natin lahat yan. So we now have, this one is 5. Inverse Laplace of 1 over S minus 6. Minus, yung 6 naman, 6. Laplace of, inverse Laplace of S over S squared plus 9. And then yung 3, labas din natin, plus 3. Laplace of 1 over 2S squared plus 8S plus 10. Okay? So now, okay, we refer to the table. So this one, the inverse Laplace of this one from the table, this is 1 over S minus 6, that is E raised to 60. Okay? Formula number 5. And then the next one, inverse Laplace nito, S over S squared plus 9. Okay? This is now this is cosine 3t. Okay? Cosine 3t. And then, ito problema. What is the inverse Laplace of 1 over 2s squared plus 8s plus 10? Ito problema. Diba? Wala kayo sa table niyan. Okay? Wala tayo sa table. Hindi na problema. So, let's focus on this one since wala sa table yan. Sama ko na yung 3. The inverse Laplace of 1 over 2s squared plus 8s plus 10. Okay? Take note, your 2 is common. Common yung 2. We can factor that out. So we now have 3 inverse Laplace of your 2 is common. So factor out natin yung 2. So this left us with s squared plus 4s plus 5. Okay? So 1 to taas. So since constant yung over 2 na to, di ba? Pwede siya ilabas din kasama ng 3. So this is now 3 over 2 Laplace, inverse Laplace of s squared, 1 over s squared plus 4s plus 5. Okay? And then, wala pa rin yan, but we can apply factorable, hindi siya factorable, we can apply computing the square. So get the 4, completing the square. Okay. That is 3 over 2 Laplace, inverse Laplace of, okay, yeah. So s squared plus 4s, okay, 4 over 2, 4 over 2, that is 2, okay. You square that 2. We now have 2 squared, that is 4, okay. So this is plus 4, therefore this is now perfect square, plus, okay, 5 minus 4, okay. Perfect square na yung ito. So from that one, okay, so we now have 3 over 2 inverse Laplace of, oh, we have s plus 2 squared plus 1. Okay? So meron na to sa table natin. Okay? From the table, okay, ano ba to sa table? You can refer to formula number 1. This is number 12. Okay? Formula number 12. The answer for that one, the inverse Laplace of that is e raised to negative 2t sine t. Okay? So from that one, okay, we now have, okay, yun na siya sa taas. Sagutin na natin. So we now have, okay, so that from this one, sa taas tayo galing ulit. Ito, yan. So we now have 5. So your inverse Laplace of 1 over 6 minus s minus 6, we have e raised to 6t, okay, minus 6 cosine 3t, okay, plus, oh, this now become itong 3 halves, and then we have e raised to negative 2t sine t. So this is now the inverse Laplace transform of your letter A. Okay. No need to simplify na. Pwede na yan. I'll accept that as an answer. No need to simplify. Hindi na siya pwede simplify. Okay? Yan na yan. Kahit yung sa kanina, yung sa Laplace, pwede na yun. Hindi na sagot yun. Malaman nyo ang dahilan mamaya kung bakit. Tanggap na yan. Okay? Next, so that is for letter A. So, ang talaga dito is, algebra na naman po. Okay? Algebra na naman. Algebra talaga. Talaga, ano? The algebra. Okay. So, next one. May tanong kayo for this one. So, this is completing the square. Yung so my third term, we use again the what do you call that? Completing the square. Completing the square na naman. Okay. Completing the square na naman siya. Okay. So next we solve the next one, number 2. Letter B, I mean. So letter B, that is, ano na ngayon? Wala. Yan. 2s squared plus s over s to the 4th. Yan. Next. Next one. Okay. Next. Ito medyo madali ito. Oops. Okay. Okay, so letter B, That is 2s squared plus s over s to the 4. Okay? So we apply inverse Laplace transform. Okay? So to solve that, okay, we can use linearity. So we now have the inverse Laplace transform of 2s squared over s to the 4th, okay, plus the inverse Laplace of s over s to the 4th. Okay? So we simplify. So we now have the inverse Laplace of ano matira dito. So we now have s squared over s to the 4th. That is 2 over s squared. Okay? Plus the inverse Laplace of your, we now have s over s to the 4th. That is 1 over s cubed. Okay? So from the table, okay, from the table, your, so from the table, from, from the table, pakita ko na lang yung table, ayan. From the table, okay, ayan. From the table on this one, makita nyo rito, ayan, we have 1 over s squared lang. So, ilabas natin yung 2, applying your linearity property. So, we now have 2 inverse Laplace of 1 over s squared. Okay? And then, ito, 1 over s cubed. Ang meron lang sa formula is 2 over s cubed or 2 factorial. Kailangan may 2 tayo. Diba? We need to have 2 in that one. So, pag magkaroon ng 2, okay, dapat meron tayong gawin din 2 yung loob, pero sa labas may 1/2. Or we multiply this by 2 over 2. So, we multiply this sa 2 over 2. 1 pa rin naman yan, di ba? So, mangyari, yung over 2 nasa labas. So, we have 1/2 inverse Laplace of yung 2 nasa numerator sa loob. So, we have 2 over s cubed. Okay? So, we can now apply yung nasa dito, yung nasa table. So, therefore, the answer is 2. Okay? So, we have the inverse Laplace of 1 over s squared, that is t. So, we have 2t plus 1/2 and then 2 over s cubed, that is t squared. Ayan siya. So, this is now the inverse Laplace transform of 2s squared plus s over s to the 4th power. Okay? So, ito na yung sagot natin for that one. Okay? Next example natin na nandito. Okay? Tukat ko muna yan. Ayun. Ayan. We have 5 over s plus 2 raised to the 4th. Okay. Ayan dito. So, for the next one, letter C, okay, we're going to solve for the inverse Laplace transform of, wala. Oops. Yung given na yun. Ayun, 5 over s plus 2 to the 4th. Okay? So, yung may ganito lang, okay, tingnan natin sa table lang. Okay, yung may ganitong form lang on your example C of 5 over s plus 2 to the 4th. Ito yung number 6. O meron pang n factorial over s plus or minus a raised to n plus 1. Okay? So from here, okay, your n plus 1 is 4. So your n plus 1 is 4. Okay? So therefore, okay, your n is equal to 3. 3 yan. So therefore, kung 3 ito, so dapat 3 factorial yung sa taas. Okay? Dapat 3 factorial to. But in this case, ang 3 factorial is 6. Okay? Take note that your 3 factorial is equal to 6. Dapat 6 ito, hindi 5. Okay? Ang gagawin natin, tama ko yung ano yan. And then, your A, okay? Yung A mo is positive 2. Positive 2. Okay? And siya. Ito. Ito, yung N. Plus 1. So, dapat ito is 6, hindi 5. Paano yan ngayon? Para magamit natin itong number 6 na formula. Paano ito ngayon? So, ilabas natin yung 5. So, therefore, we now have 5. The inverse Laplace of 1 over the quantity s plus 2 to the 4. Anong problema natin? Dapat 6. Ito, imbis na 1. So, gawin natin ulit. Multiply natin ito sa 6 over 6. Okay? Yung nasa numerator, ipasok mo dito. Yung nasa numerator, okay? Diyan. Yung nasa denominator mo, sama natin sa 5. Okay? So, we now have a 5 over 6. Then, the inverse Laplace of 6 na siya over the quantity s plus 2 to the 4. Okay? And then, according to the formula, ito na siya. So, since this is plus, okay, we now have 5 over 6, okay? Your t raised to n. Your n is 3, okay? So, t cubed. And then, e, ano siya, negative or positive? Since positive to, magiging negative ito, yung e mo. So, negative 2t. Okay? So, this is our answer. So, we now have this one. So, we now have 5 over 6 t cubed times e raised to negative 2t. So, ito na yung ating sagot. Okay? Yan. So, this is now our answer for the last example.